Guys, today I am making chicken salami soup. I will tell you what is the chicken salami soup's ingredient. Okay everyone, so this is the ingredients. So red sausages, white sausages, salamis, and one small kotori and one big kotori. Okay guys, so the first ingredient you gotta take salamis and cut them with small pieces like this. Remember, you do it. Alright, now it's like this cut. Now you gotta make something else cut. You gotta cut small pieces. Alright, the next step is take red sausages and white sausages and cut like this. Mamba, you do it. Cut like this of circles. Cut circles. You gotta cut like this. Now the next red one. अब आपको सही से क्यों नहीं हो रहा है? Okay, now the next step. You gotta put the red one in another kotori and another kotori in the white one, and the small one is the salamis. Like this, the ingredients are ready. I will tell you how to make. Then you need this black ball and the minutes how to make it. So the minutes is you have to make 2 minutes and put oil. First put the oil in the bucket, in the black bucket, and then wait, then put it, then it will be a sausage salami soup. If you want to see part 2 is ready, you gotta like and subscribe and comment and share with a friend.